All right, so in this video, we are going to create a new tool where we are going to add Google Calendar. And it feels almost magical that this can be done. Let's go do that. So we saw this demo. I created a lunch meeting with Chris. We're going to do the same thing with our existing workflow that we have just created, workflow number 36, which right now has only Gmail. We're going to add one more tool by clicking this Tools Plus button. We're going to put Google Calendar, Google Calendar tool. We'll set automatically event create. Now the calendar selection happens from here, so it's at aemalsayer.com, this calendar that I have. And the rest of them, I will put it automatically. There are two more fields I would like to add because I want to see the summary and the description. So these are two fields called summary and description. So as summary, automatically assign it, and description. You assign that also automatically. Now there's a caveat in this. There's a problem with this. I would like to go with this problem, and then you can see what happens next. I won't solve it in the first place so that you can see it raw in the first place. So I'm saving it. I'm going to say, can you please create an event for 8th of September at 10 a.m. It should be a meeting with Chris about our new camera setup. The quality of these Logitech cameras are really nice, and I would like to explain how can we use this for our podcasts. Okay, this is the shortcut key for the audio transcripts. There we go. It executed this. But the caveat is that I don't see it here. It's not working. Why is it not working? Let's go and discover it. If I double click this, and I see it created the event for 2023, September 2023. This is because the LLM that we are using, the ChatGPT 4.1 mini, has a so-called cutoff date of September 2023. So it was trained in September 2023. That the LLM or the AI was trained at that time. It does not know the knowledge of the world as of now. In order for us to teach this AI agent that, hey, today is 26th of August and it is 5:31 p.m., we need to go to the system message that we have done previously. And you can also resize it from here so you can see things cleaner. And then you can either put it in the system message or you can also put it in the user message. I think it makes sense to put it in the system message because it's a system level information. And then, as I said before, you can click on this little arrow to go big. And now if you say today is, or the current date and time is, and then you put these curly brackets twice, you'll see this pop-up window and you can do a bunch of different things here. I'll just pick now. And then you see here it says 25th of August, 15:32, and so on and so forth. And also it has the time zone and so on. I'm going to save it. And I don't need to talk to the microphone again. I'll press this button. And this time it's going to execute. And it's going to put a calendar entry here. And you can see it's a meeting with Chris discussing the high-quality Logitech cameras. So with that, we have finished our first workflow. Congratulations. Let's go to the next workflow, which is a little bit more complex by uploading invoices and so on. Thank you so much for listening so far. The rest of it is going to get even more interesting. See you there.